decision to sell your home is important and requires planning, preparation, and an experienced and credentialed realtor. Make sure you work with a credentialed realtor who is an SRS, which stands for Seller Representative Specialist. An SRS is a member of the National Association of Realtors and subscribes to a strict code of ethics. And a realtor with the SRS designation has taken an additional step by completing advanced specialized training in seller representation. You need a professional who knows what is happening in your market, who understands contracts, who will represent your interests, and who is an experienced negotiator. You need an SRS representing you when you are ready to sell your home. They will provide you with expert guidance through every step of the home selling process, from listing to close. Ready to list your home? Look for an SRS who will be your advocate. They understand the current market and find solutions to potential obstacles. An SRS will also help you navigate the process and the paperwork. An SRS understands your perspectives and is qualified and committed to helping you achieve a successful transaction. Work with an SRS who will help you take your property from for sale to sold. You can feel confident working with an SRS who delivers client-level services with integrity. Ready to get started? Find an SRS in your area at rebinstitute.com.